Today we're going to discuss different ways to organize your laundry room. Join me. So today we are in my laundry room. We want our laundry rooms to be a clean space. In order to maintain that, you will need to consolidate and possibly purge a few items. We want this to be like a clutter-free zone. I promise that once you organize your supplies and all the other items, keeping this a clutter-free zone will be super simple. Tip 1, organize your cleaning supplies. Put your cleaning products in baskets with labels that will sit on your shelves. Maybe you don't have shelves. On the back of your laundry room door, hang a shoe organizer. It's great for spray bottles and starch and any other cleaning supplies that'll fit in those pockets. Get it off the floor, get it off of the counters, and in a visual place where you can see it, and it's always there. It now has a home. Tip 2, the space between your washer and dryer or the space behind your laundry room door is a great place for your mop, your brooms, your dusters for the ceiling, anything else that you need to use for the floors, things that are big and bulky that won't fit in that little space like a vacuum. We're going to have to find another space for that or another place for that outside the laundry room if you don't have a closet. But this little space in between your washer and dryer, like between the washer and your wall, or behind the door in your laundry room is a great place to put all of those long, skinny brooms and mops that we seem to have nowhere to go with in the house. I know that for me, whenever my husband or my kids are cleaning, they kind of bring all of their brooms and mops that they've used and dusters, and they just kind of throw it in here. And I'll come in and they'll be on the floor. I'll have brooms on the counter. Let's give them a home too. They're now going to live in the small space between our washer and dryer or behind our laundry room door. Tip 3, color code your baskets by person. I have a lot of people in my family. I have 4 kids. Each of my children have a different colored laundry basket. So my oldest son, we'll use him for an example. Whenever I go into his room, he has a green laundry basket sitting on his floor by his closet. All of his dirty clothes go in there. Whenever it's time for me to do his laundry, I grab his laundry basket, I bring it in here and I dump it into the washer. Then whenever I'm done with the dryer and I fold everything, I put it right back into that green basket. Well, my other son has a blue basket. My daughter has a purple basket. My other daughter has a pink basket. We have white baskets for towels. We have yellow baskets for my husband and I. So everyone in my house has a basket. Now say I'm going to do a big load of laundry that's going to include everyone in the household. Well, it's easy for me to sort it and to know where it goes after it comes out of the dryer because I'm going to fold it and put it right into that basket. And those color-coded baskets are going to go right into the rooms where they're supposed to go. It's going to be super simple and easy for me to put away and for everyone to know whose stuff is whose. Do you have a great organization tip? Maybe you need some help with something specific in your life? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Please share this video with your friends. We could all use a few organizational tips for our laundry room. Make sure to share it on Facebook, Twitter, any social media that you have. Also, subscribe to my channel for daily organizational videos. I am here for you. I would love to teach you everything that I know. I'm super, super, super organized. Let me help you be the same way. All right, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next vid.